Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's SOP video update. And right now we do have SOP right here, and previously we talked about SOP. I still believe that SOP is looking to come down all the way to 0.00313. Now normally Mondays does make a little bit of movement, so let's actually look at the smaller time frames here, and let's dive into the 15 minutes time frame as well. I just want to see if there's any scalping opportunity for SOP right now. So you do have a very small trading opportunity right now, and that is, SLP is breaking out of that particular resistance, which actually is losing the retest as well, but it could actually be a very nice good scalping opportunity. Very quick trade, because on a smaller time frame it could actually give you a little bit of a relief rally, small chance. So from there to there we might be looking for SOP to go upside. If everything goes perfectly okay, then we're talking for SOP to move to 401. So that's going to be from there to there, like a 2-3% scalping opportunity. Nothing fancy going on in here. But then again, if you want to take that, you can take that. Scalping are really good if you know how to do them. Now, unfortunately, what I do see on the daily is still a technical target that remains going to the downside. Now, I will not risk scalping right now, but the thing is that this one is still your bear flag. You went to the downside, you made a nice beautiful looking bear flag, boom, to the downside. If you were to go higher, if you were to have a small relief rally for SOP, I would even say SOP might be interested to go back up to this flag. As a matter of fact, it never retested that flag, so you do have chances to go to 428 as well, but it's not a guarantee. You can actually go to 428 and then get rejected and finally come down here. So whatever happens in between in this area, you can actually trade in the smaller time frames if you can trade it. But on a higher time frame, if you're someone who is a swing trader, then this probably is your next technical target. And that's pretty much it for this update on SOP. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.